Let us see one more application of trigonometric identities. Let us see what the problem is. See here, we have given a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to m and a sin theta minus b cos theta equal to n. We need to show that a square plus b square equal to m square plus n square, and for this what we have to do, just see, take the given conditions. Okay, see here, take the given conditions, square them and add it. Okay, square them and add. So see this, a cos theta, okay, plus b sin theta whole square equal to what? M square. And similarly, take that a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square equal to what? N square. Okay, we squared it on both sides. Now do one thing, add both the conditions. Okay, add them all. So what do we get here? A cos theta plus b sin theta whole square plus a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square equal to, LHS parts are added. Now RHS, what is that? M square plus n square. Okay, now we have added like this. Now just see. See here, this expression inside, solve individual brackets. So in this bracket, the expression is in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square, means if you consider this first term as a and this as b, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. And as you know that expansion of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab from algebra. Okay, so you can expand it in that way. So a cos theta whole square, that would be a square, and b sin theta whole square, that would be b square, b sin theta whole square, okay, plus 2ab term, 2a cos theta b sin theta, 2a cos theta b sin theta, okay, plus here this is a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square, so which is in the form of a minus b whole square. So we can expand this in the form of a minus b whole square, that means a square plus b square minus 2ab. What is a square? A sin theta whole square. What is plus b square? B cos theta whole square minus 2ab. So minus 2a sin theta b cos theta, minus 2a sin theta b cos theta equal to what? M square plus n square. M square plus n square, like this we got. It's looking a bit lengthy, but it's very easy because so many terms will be simplified. Okay, anyways, now put this square to each one, a and cos theta. So that would be your what? A square cos square theta, okay, plus b square sin square theta here for this. Okay, now just write down 2ab cos theta sin theta, or 2ab sin theta cos theta, 2ab sin theta cos theta, plus this is again a square sin square theta, plus this is b square cos square theta, okay, minus, see this here, 2ab sin theta cos theta equal to what? M square plus n square. Okay, right, we wrote it like this. So you can find here same terms with reverse signs. What are that? 2ab sin theta is plus here, and here minus 2ab sin theta we can cancel. Now group the terms according to your convenience so that you can obtain trigonometric identity. Okay, rearrange the terms or group the terms in such a way that you will get some trigonometric identities like sin square theta plus cos square theta, in that way. Okay, so do one thing, here a square cos square theta is there, and here a square sin square theta is there. Write them together. See here, a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Okay, now b square sin square theta is there and b square cos square theta is given, so we can group them. These two are grouped together. Okay, now this is b square Sine square theta, and this is b square cos square theta, considered as one group, equal to what? RHS part would be m square plus n square, right? Anyways, now if you what is the common factor in these two terms? A square or not? Take common a square. What do you get? Cos square theta plus sine square theta. Cos square theta plus sine square theta we get inside the bracket. Now here also we take common b square out of these two terms. Again you get what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta, okay, left inside, equal to what? M square plus n square, right? Now just tell me, did we obtain these two expressions as these two expressions obtained are trigonometric identities or not? Yes, these two are first identities of trigonometry, sine square theta plus cos square theta. So we can put here 1 and 1 or not? Yes, so we can put here 1. A square into 1 would be a square plus see this here, a square, and this here b square into 1 would be b square, equal to what? M square plus n square. Did we obtain our required condition or not? Exactly. So we obtain our required condition, a square plus b square equal to m square plus n square, okay, which we need to obtain. Understood? And of course this is also previous question. And let me tell you one more thing, that here what are the key points to solve this? Simple, nothing. We need to add, we need to square the given two conditions and we need to add them. Simply they'll be simplified and we'll get a square plus b square equal to m square plus n square. Like this we have to do.